Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to recycle a water filter tube and turn it into a wind charge. Let's see how I make it. First, we need a booster pump. When the wind spins the blades, the motor inside the pump rotates in reverse, generating DC voltage. Next, we need a pipe with dimensions EO75 by 1.5 millimeters by 4 meters to serve as the shaft for the wind charge. Then, we need a bearing. Bearing code 6205. With a maximum rotational speed of approximately 9,000 RPM with grease lubrication. From my storage, I found a broken sander that I can repurpose as the support frame for the rotating turbine shaft. Now, clean it thoroughly and spray on a fresh coat of paint. After that, I used a 75mm pipe cap to create the rotating wheel for the wind charge. Next, I'm using a UOD 27 PVC pipe to make the blades for the wind charge. Subsequently, we must secure a pivotal component with an additional screw to forge a steadfast joint, seamlessly uniting the body and the head of the wind charge apparatus. Take a short section of the pipe with a diameter of 75 millimeters, flatten it out, and use it to make the tail fin. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.